Hi, it's Paul from globaltradesoftware.com. I'm using the Playback facility on the Motive Wave platform to go through a Euro US dollar day trade on Friday the 30th of April using the xBratAlgo, the Divergence cloud for confirmation, and also the EMA cloud for trade management, part of our day trading bundle for the Motive Wave platform. So I'm going to play this forward, I'm going to pause it, stop and discuss. So right now we can see we've already had a 6-star sell signal here, this candle here. Now the entry for a 6-star candle would be below that candle, so we haven't breached that yet. Then we pulled back up again, and the divergence cloud, you can't see it very well, but it just disappeared, and then it's just started to come back again, this red cloud around here and here. So we just play this forward just a little bit. Okay, so there. So we then get another 6-star sell signal here, but this time we're backed up by the divergence cloud. It's red, it's our confirmation. So the bundle works on signal, confirmation, and then entry. Entry is very simple in that we want to go below that signal candle, as it were. So again, signal, 6-star sell. We've got the divergence cloud. We want to go short below there. So let's play that forward. You can see here that it really goes into this really quickly. You have to excuse the clicking because I have to click this forward. It doesn't play automatically. But then we're in this trade. Let me just use the button there. That's a little faster. Okay. So what we're looking for first of all is the EMA cloud, the purple EMA cloud here, to get through our original entry so we can make it risk-free. See how it comes back to test the cloud there? Doesn't come through. It does, but it doesn't close up above. Now it just goes. Okay, so now the EMA cloud still isn't below our entry. One of the things we devised this EMA cloud for is it's a non-linear support and resistance zone, and very, very strong. You see how we got the entry here. We don't adjust the stop and to break even until that EMA cloud is through here. You see how it came to test that EMA cloud and then dropped like a rock. So then we just play this forward. Now the EMA cloud is through our original entry. That's where we go risk-free now. So we're risk-free on the trade. Trade progressing. You see how the divergence cloud is growing. The downward momentum of this trade is such that the divergences are getting further apart. We use lots of different divergences in there, including volatility, but that just starts to show now we're getting some real momentum, and that was a great entry there. So we'll just play this forward a little bit more. So what we're looking for is another test on the EMA cloud, if we can get one, or a pivot and then a move down. So we're getting a test now, a pivot, and we're just waiting for a move down before we can adjust that stop to lock in a lot of profit here. So now what we've done is we've got a support zone here. We've got a bit of the top, this really is giving us a little bit of a parallel zone here, a range. So what we do is adjust. This was our entry up here. Let me just draw in where our trading stop's going to be now. So our trailing stop is going to be above the EMA cloud, but also above this pivot point here. So this is our trailing stop right now. So we're locking in profit. Let's get rid of that stop and continue playing this forward. You see how the divergence cloud ran out? Got a little bit of green in there, but just failed to push through the EMA cloud. So this is a good pivot to be at for a trailing stop. We're above the EMA cloud, so we've got a little bit of room for that to try and poke through and then come back down again. And we're above this little short-term resistance zone here. So let's play this forward. Just came very briefly on that pivot there to test the EMA cloud again. We're still coming in to test again, and then finally we get a close above this cloud right here. Okay, so now you either manually take that stop out or adjust this trailing stop just above there now, because that was an attempt to move out. So sensibly now we're in this all the way up here. We've come back, we're just testing this EMA cloud now. The divergence cloud has gone green. So we've had a couple of tests. This is a 3-minute time frame. So in 6 minutes we've had a test. It's coming back down. That's a great position for a trailing stop. Let's play this forward. And we're coming back down. And this is all designed to keep everything simple. Okay, everything really, really simple. Again, we're having another test at that EMA cloud. Not taking the stop out yet. So now the thing is, let's adjust it again, just here above this pivot that tried to get out of the EMA cloud, locking in a little bit more profit now. Okay, so we just want to zoom. Apologies for that, the data has to catch up now. Pause the video while the data catches up. Okay, so let's carry this trade forward, and that's where we closed. So we closed there on the Friday, the 30th, and obviously you don't want to carry this sort of trade over the weekend if you can help it, but that's a great looking trade there. Great move, fantastic, really good example of how the day trading bundle works for Forex here. I mean, this is the motorway platform. It's available for a lot of other platforms on our website, globaltradingsoftware.com, but this just goes to show you that signal, then confirmation, then a repeatable entry strategy to get us in there, and then using the EMA cloud to manage our trades, is that we capture some very great moves, both long and short. Hopefully that helps to explain. You can see it in real time as those signals are produced, where we would enter, how we manage, getting that confirmation from that divergence cloud, and a great way to end a week there on Euro US dollar, trading short there from about 15:30, 100 hours on in European time, I'm in Europe, all the way to the close. So great looking trade, and hopefully that helps explain a little bit more how the xBratAlgo combines well with the divergence cloud and then the EMA cloud, part of that day trading bundle.